RT4 VCR. So I have my old reverse camera. It was on the stand, so I can put it on the RAM. So I did some digging, trying to find a spot where I can get it outside the cab, and voila, there's a spot right there. You can see, so I'm gonna run it through there so I can get back here and touch the camera. So I ran the wires here. Now I'm going to connect to the back of the unit. So look, it's this camera. This one. And I gotta find the trigger wire. So okay, so I got the wire there and there, and I'm gonna find a way to attach it underneath. Right now, I'm going to attach the camera. Where'd you guys go? ready?
Yeah.
You ready for a thousand?
I'm ready.
Oh, you got a new Beamer, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, Steve, thank you.
Okay. Okay, bye. Bye.
So now we have to tap into the tail light. So I'll get the reverse and I'll just tap into the ground. That way I don't have to drill another hole. So this uses a Torx 25 for these two right here. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Find out. Let's see. Oh, oh, we have power. Power. Sweet.
Kindergartners will give you encouraging words when you're feeling down and depressed, so I'm out of college.
Please listen to the following options for encouraging messages. If you're feeling mad, frustrated, or nervous, press 1. If you needed words of encouragement and life advice, press 2.
Nah, I need that.
If you need a pep talk from kindergartners, press 3. If you need to hear kids laughing with delight, press 4. To hear how awesome you look, press 6.
Oh,
For
6.
bonus